Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Love Art and Sketches. So today I am creating a special artwork called Love Bloom. So now let's start and bring this beautiful love bloom of life. Firstly, start by lightly sketching the couple on a blank sheet of paper. Draw the man with a short hair wearing a casual outfit and playing a guitar. Now let's draw the woman with long hair wearing a dress and holding a coffee cup. Adding details like a heart-shaped balloon floating above them, and add some little things like coffee cups, like cake, and extra what you want to add something. After the sketching, use color pencil to bring the drawing of life. For hairs, I will use black color for black and light gray color for man hair and light brown color for girls hair. Basically, I'm using oil-based color pencil are made of high quality pencil lead which have strong tip. They don't break easily. And the pencil color set of 72. All the material and product are used are mentioned in the description below. You can check them out and buy from there if you like. Now the color the men's shirt, I'm using a light brown color, and for pant I'm using the gray color. For guitar, I'm using dark and light shade of browns, like dark for outlines, like wire, and inside the color I'm using for light. Do colors for little things like cup, coffee mugs, and cup and cakes as well. For heart shaped balloon, I'm using red color. Now color the woman dress in soft pastel shade. I'm using soft pink color. Now add a simple grassy background using a soft green color. Keep the grass subtle to maintain focus on the couple. You can add a few flowers to the grass. Now the drawing is complete. How was the video? Please comments below and let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.